dog ball. Over my
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
over my can be
Hmm. With his ears so soft. Yeah, good morning, ma Pranavi, Pravina.
your thought and the tail so long over my dog ball.
Very good. Next is Riyasri. Thank you, Mailango. Riyasri. Riyasri. Okay, teacher. Over.
Oh where, has my little dog born? Oh where, has my little has been me? Oh where, with his
With his ears so short.
short tail.
Hmm.
Where has my little dog born? Oh where,
What you are singing, ma? Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Okay? Thank you, Ma Srinija. Next is Pranavi. 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 கேக்கல போல இருக்கு. Okay, next student sing. Madhvanti, now will you sing? Oh, where? Unmute yourself and sing, Madhvanti. Hmm.
oh where, my dog.
Come on. Okay, Madhvanti. Pranavi, come on, sing the rhyme. Oh, where? Mute yourself, Madhvanti. மறந்து போச்சு படிக்கணும் daily. Come on, Pranavi.
இது என்ன பாட்டு சொல்லுங்க.
Pranavi, you are going to sing or not? I am going to move on to the next one.
எப்படி பாடணும்?
பாடுங்க. Oh, where? Book எடுக்கவே வேண்டாம். I didn't ask anyone to take your book. Just sing the rhyme. Huh?
Good morning, Verilama.
Good morning, Master Ravanya. Good morning. Okay, all of you, please mute yourself. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Mute yourself. Come on, Madhvanti, mute yourself. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Srinija will say Kids the anthem today. Yes, Kids the anthem. One with me.
My potential.
What a wing.
In my life, you define me, my potential.
Today I pledge
I share with you my protestant life.
Yes, very good, Srinija. Shravanya, I didn't ask you to say Kidzi Anthem, right? Yes? Srinija was saying you're telling in between. Whom shall I hear? If I say Shravanya, you say, okay, Shravanya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ma Srinija. Now all of you keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Huh? Mom.
Yes, good morning, Ma.
ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది జల్దీ ఇక్కడ ఉంటా ఇక్కడ అందుకు కింద బుక్ పని ముట్టుతాం అది
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Giraffe. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Come on, go drink one drink of water and come back.
There is drink some water. Hello.
Yeah, welcome children. Come on.
என்ன சொல்றாங்க அம்மா என்ன சொல்றாங்க அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க நீ சொல்லு தேங்க் யூ மேம் வந்து
Madhuvanti.
Yeah.
Tilakar, mute yourself. Very good. Say your attendance. You said no, Madhuvanti. Here I am. Solano. Ilango.
Here ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Absent. Nitish. Kevin. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sara. Very good, Sara. Pranavi. Pranavi. Others, please mute yourself. Pranavi. Madhuvanti, Srinija, mute yourself, both of you. Pranavi.
Mute yourself.
Yes, very good, Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, Pravina. Next, Srinija.
Here I am, Melina ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Next, Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari.
Here I am.
Pravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Pravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, Melina ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nolan.
Here I am, Melina ma'am.
Nimolan. Adarsh. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Thank you, children. First itself, I called you, Madhuvanti. Your photo comes first day. I கூப்பிட்டேனா இல்லையா? You are not at all listening. Then what shall I do?
என்னடா சொல்லுங்க புரியலடா எனக்கு.
Okay, now next is the rhyme session, children. Rhymes. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where can he be? Next is under a web. Need not take your rhymes book, children. Just listen to the rhyme. What you're going to do with your rhymes book? If you have any activity, we'll use. Otherwise, no need to take your rhymes book. Okay? Under the web, beside the gate, the spider has his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. Six black furry legs and feet. Without put yourself. One more time. Under the web, beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, so that's it for the rhymes today. What are the concepts you are learning nowadays? What are the concepts you are learning now? Tell me. What are the concepts you are learning? Marine animals. And last week what did we learn? We learned about farm animal, wild animal, and now we are learning about marine animals. Madhuvanti, keep your rhymes book down, Madhuvanti. Okay, so one more time we'll have a small recap of farm animal, wild animal and marine animal. Okay.
Marine animals. Waterல இருக்குது.
Mute yourself, Madhvanti. Please, Madhvanti. When I call you, you please unmute or else mute yourself. Yes, can you see my screen? Is it visible? If you can't see my screen, you can pin Kidsy.
Cow.
You can see, ma'am.
Okay. First farm animal is cow and the young one of cow is calf. Cow lives in cow shed. This is cow shed. Okay. And next farm animal is dog. Young one of a dog is puppy. Dog lives in dog kennel. Okay. Dog, puppy, dog lives in dog kennel. Next is pig. Young one of a pig is piglet. Pig lives in pigsty. Okay. Pig, piglet lives in pigsty. Okay. Next farm animal is horse. Okay, engine of a horse is foal. Foal lives in horse stable. Horse, foal, engine of a horse is foal. Lives in horse stable. Now I want all of you to touch the horse.
Table.
Mute yourself. Sorry, Mokshita, mute yourself. Come on, touch the horse. Where is horse? Now touch the foal. Now horse stable. Yes, very good. Horse. Young one of a horse is foal. Horse lives in horse stable. Okay. And next farm animal is hen. Okay. Hen. Young one of a hen is chick. Hen lives in hen coop. Now where is hen? Touch the hen. Chick. Where is chick? Where is hen coop? Very good. Hen. Young one of a hen is chick. Hen lives in hen coop. Okay. And next we'll see about the wild animals. Farm animals live in the farm, children. Okay. Wild animals live in forest. If you want to see wild animals, you can go to a zoo. Okay. There they have many wild animals in the cage. Okay. So these are wild animals. See here, elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, leopard, bear, fox, monkey, camel, kangaroo, wolf, zebra, giraffe, hippopotamus, deer, lion. All these are wild animals. So now we are going to see the young one of these animals. Lion, cub. Lion, cub. Tiger, cub. Lion young one is also cub. Tiger young one is also a cub. Okay. Next is elephant. Elephant, calf. Young one of elephant is calf. Cow also young one, calf only. Okay. And then giraffe, calf. Cow, calf. Elephant, calf. Giraffe also calf. Okay. Kangaroo, joey. Young one of a kangaroo is joey. And next we are going to see the marine animals. What are all the marine animals? Let me know, children. What all we have seen already? Okay, marine animals live in water. So only they are called as marine animals. Okay. And now next we'll finish off with our talk time. Whose talk time is today? Batch 2. Kevin. Kevin and Mokshita. Are you ready? Kevin and Mokshita, are you ready? Yes, first Kevin. What ma Kadambari? Kevin.
Kadambari talk time, ma'am. Kadambari
Today's
also talk time.
Kadambari talk time, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, let me
Ma'am,
check.
tomorrow, right?
Oh, sorry. Ilango and Kadambari, sorry. I just
So
went
we
to
don't have yeah.
Ilango and Kadambari. Sorry, ma Kevin, it's tomorrow, I forgot. Okay, come on, ma. First, Kadambari. Parents, for talk time, you can use artwork, pictures, toys, or PPT also, so that they will eagerly participate in the talk time. Just making them to speak 5 lines or 10 lines, that is not important. Just they have to have the interest in talk time. Next time when they give them, they have to feel happy for that. So you please encourage them. Please help them with any chart works or toys or PPT. Okay? Yes, Kadambari, come on, ma.
This is Cadbury. I'm going to talk about horse. Horse is beautiful animal. It has 4 legs. It has very strong. It runs very fast. It has bushy tail. It is grass, gate, and food. Thank you.
Very good. That's it. Very good, Kadambari. Kadambari spoke about horse, farm animal, horse. Okay, next is Ilango. Ilango.
சொல்லுப்பா நான்
What?
சொல்லு zebra
What?
zebra சொல்லு கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
What are you doing?
இல்லங்கோ சொல்லுங்க zebra
Hello, everybody.
இல்லங்கோ தமிழ் சொல்லுங்க சொல்லு மேம்
I don't know.
சத்தமா லவுடா
Today
zebra சொல்லு ஒழுங்கா சொல்லுங்க grassland இல்லங்கோ சொல்லு zebra
is grass.
ம்
Baby zebra called phone. That's baby zebra.
அப்புறம்
And zebra sleep good standing.
அதுதானே அல்ல சொல்லிட்டியா that's it
இல்ல இன்னும் நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் மேம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க அதுல.
போதும் நம்ம ஜீப்ரா பத்தி பேசிட்டோம் that's it ma'am
That's it. Very good. Thank you so much, Ilango. Yeah, thank you, ma. Okay, children. Next, I want you to bring your alphabet flashcards, children. Bring your alphabet flashcards. Small letters. Bring your alphabet flashcards. We are going to make words.
Ma'am, what is that? Flashcards?
Alphabet flashcards. A to Z we already prepared, right?
Okay, alphabets. Okay, fine.
Pranavi, Pravina, where is your alphabet flashcards?
Yes, ma'am.
Get the book from them. Keep it aside.
Ma'am?
Okay, what book she is having, get it and keep it aside.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, book. Ma'am, the flashcards we didn't prepare, ma'am. Tomorrow we can.
Okay, tomorrow you prepare it. Today ask them to write in the slate.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin.
Ma'am, Adarsh ma'am.
Yes, Adarsh mom.
Ma'am, our flashcard is also in our home term, ma'am. Shall I ask him to write in slate, ma'am?
Yeah, you can ask him to write in slate, no problem. Those who are not having flashcards, you can write in slate. Flashcards also only few letters we need. A, M, N, T, S, I, F, O. Only these flashcards I need. A, M, N, T, S, I, F, O. 8 cards. Yes, ready? A, M, N, T, S, I, F, O. Only these cards I need. Other cards you keep it aside. Okay, the first word what you are going to make is an. An. Means what letter? A. Means here the aeroplane. Means N. A-N, an.
Ma'am,
Yes. So no need of that cards, Shavanya. Afterwards, ask your mama to prepare separate cards, okay? Alphabet card. Now you can write in slate.
later.
For making words, only single alphabets are needed. So if it is along with the word, no need. A, N, an. Take A card and N card together. It makes an. N, an. Very good, Makadam.
Wait on this side. Within white line தான் எழுதணும் கூட
White line.
இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இங்க முடிக்கணும் சரியா இந்த சி இப்படி curve மாதிரி
Sarah,
வரும்.
Okay, very good, Ma. Mokshita, good. Next is at. At. At.
AT at.
At. At. A sound A. A sound A. And T sound T. At. At.
White line எழுது white line எழுது
At.
அப்படி எழுத கூடாது ஏ
At.
தான் எழுதணும்
Yes, good, Ma. Kadambari. Kevin, only A I can see. Good. At. Good.
correct தான் red line ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்
Arrange it in the table and focus the camera on what they are preparing so that I can see. No need to take it, lift it up and show it to me. Arrange it on the table itself, children. Just tilt the camera so that I can see. Okay, next word is am. Am. Am.
ஸ்லேட் சரிச்சு எழுது
Means yum. Am. Am. Very good, Sarah.
கையில வச்சு எழுதாத வச்சு எழுது M. Standing line.
Very good, Nimalan.
Atlantic ma'am இல்ல
What you are writing?
nothing.
Show me what you are writing. Show me your slate, I said. Now only you are writing an. I finished am, at and all. Now only you are writing an. Where is your mama? Tilakar?
மேம் அவன் ஆல்ரெடி எழுதிட்டான் மேம் எழுதிட்டான் அவன் டஸ்ட் பண்ணி
எழுதிட்டானா ஏன் காட்ட மாட்டேங்கிறான்?
இல்ல அவன் எழுதிட்டான் அப்படியே டஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டான் மேம் இந்த
Okay, fine.
காமிக் சொல்றேன்
Okay, next letter, next word is as. As. Means a and sound is yes. As. 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 It's very good. And that is an, am. Kevin, that is am. Next word as. It's very good, Nimalan. Good, Ma Ilango. Most of you are writing in your slate. Next time, next week, from Monday onwards, we'll be using cards. So if you don't have also, please prepare it. Small letter card. It's okay, Matilakar. Yes, very good. Next is in. In. Pinky the mouse is my pet. E. And then in. Here the aeroplane. In. I-N. In. E-N. In. E-N. In. Very good, Sarah. E-N. Yes, good, Delango. Yes, very good, Kadambari. I-N. Good. Very good, Ma. Riyasri, good. Nimalan, good. Next is it. It. E is I. Ta is T. It. Eat. It. Eat. It. Eat. It. Very good, Mokshita. Why are you writing A, Master Avanya? It, I said it. It is not is. It, I-T, it. Next word is on. On. O-N. On. O-N. On. O-N. On. Oh, it's so dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. On. Next is off. Very good, Kadambari. Off. Off. O-F. Off. Off. Very good, ma. Nimalan, good. Finish. That's it, children. Off, finish. That's all. Yes. Now in your slate, erase everything. In your slate, you are going to write from 31 to 40. Write numbers 31 to 40. Very good, Srinija, Shravanya. Very good. Take your slate, all of you. Write numbers 31 to 40.
Back.
31 to 40 children. Three one 31. 3 2 32. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. 4 0 40. Yes, good ma. Finisha, very good, Kadambari.
Ma'am, I done.
Very good. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. 4 0 40.
Well, ma'am, finished. Tada!
Okay, chalk down. Look at the screen and write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Finished all of you. Don't erase it. Keep it as it is, children. Srinija, finish.
Ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Nimalan, very good. Finish. Still who is writing?
Sarah
Sarah.
is writing, ma'am.
Okay, Sarah. Ilango.
He was writing, ma'am.
Shravanya, finish.
Everything.
erase, Manimala. Now only I told you, no. Don't erase the numbers what you have written. You are going to do the activity. Why are you erasing the numbers?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Ilambo.
Need to finish.
Very good, Masara. Okay, now we are going to find the missing numbers. Everyone has finished. Shall we start? Yes, Pranavi, Pravina, finish fast. Mokshita still writing? Yeah, very good, Ma Saranya.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Pranavi, Pravina.
Ma'am, Pranavi, no, finish.
Okay.
Pranavi finished, ma'am.
Huh?
Pravina finished, ma'am.
Pravina finished.
Pranavi finished, ma'am.
Okay, Pranavi also finished.
Pravina finished, ma'am.
Okay, don't fight,
Pranavi
children.
finished, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. Now come on, help ma'am to find out the missing number, okay? First, now touch the number 3131 in your slate. Where is the number 3131 in your slate? What comes after 31? 31 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன நம்பர் இருக்காங்க? பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க. What number is there?
32.
Huh?
32.
32. Very good. 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33. Okay. Now touch number 3, 8, 38.
38.
Yeah, 38. After 38, what do we get?
34.
39. 3. Very good, children. 3, 9, 39, 40, 40. Very good. Next, touch number 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Next number? 35. 36. Okay. Our next number is 3535. Okay. After 3535, what will you get? Very good. 36, 37. Okay. Next number is 3333. What will I get after 33?
34.
Very good. 34. 3, 4, 34. Okay. Next number is 3737. 39. We get 39. 3737. What will I get here? 3838. 3838. 3939. Now let's make a worksheet number 362 empty. 362 empty. D62 empty. Missing numbers worksheet. Like this, you will be having the butterfly in that sheet. Missing numbers. Come on, do it on your own. Keep the numbers with you. If you have doubts, you can refer the numbers. Or else, if you know to do it on your own also, you can do. Srinija, can you please sit properly? Take your worksheet D62 empty. Write today's date. Today's date is 3030-9-2121 and the day is Thursday.
Ma'am, can you repeat the worksheet number, ma'am?
362 empty.
Okay, ma'am.
On this.
sum 31. What number will come next? 32. Inside the box, you have to write 32. Do it on your own. Parents, please don't tell them. Let us see whether they are able to do it on their own. You can get the help from that slate, children. Already you have written numbers 31 to 40. So you look at the slate and do it on your own. Parents, you can guide them, but don't tell the answer. Those are able to do it on your own, you can do it. So fast, Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. You're welcome. Kadambari finish.
No.
Yes, very good, Kadambari. If you have doubts, you can refer the slate also, children. Touch the number, see what number comes after the number, and then you can copy it down. Finish. Those are finished. Take your My Word Trip book, B page. Shavanya, finish.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shavanya. Take your My Word Trip book, B page. Ready? How many of you are still doing your worksheet?
Sarah, ma'am.
Only Sarah? Others?
Ilangu is also doing it.
Srinija is also doing, ma'am.
You can refer the slate what you have written, ma. Numbers you have written, right?
சொல்லுங்க.
Ilango finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Take your My Word Trip book, B page, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, finished.
Very good, Sarah. Srinija, finish.
How's it a finish, ma'am?
Very good, Mokshita. Now all of you take your My Word Trip book. V page. V. What is the phonic sound for V? Ooh. Okay, drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Ooh. Okay, so V for vacuum cleaner. Touch the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner on top. Okay, and V for van. V for van. V for vest. V for vest. V for volcano. V for volcano. V for vulture. V for vulture. V for bus. V for bus. V for violin. V for violin. V for violets. Color of the flower is violet in color, so we call it as violets. Okay. Then V for vines. Vines. Okay. From the beginning, van, vest, volcano, vulture, bus, violin, violets, vines. Okay. Now take your worksheet D66LT. D66LT. V letter. D66LT. V letter. Letter V. Take your worksheet. V. How will you write V? Slanting line, slanting line. See here, this is number 1. Go to number 2 and then reach number 3. See here, 1 from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. V. Start writing in your worksheet capital V and small v. Small v you should write between the blue lines. Capital V will start from red line to blue line. Okay? Start writing it. The next V page will be your homework, children. Today's homework. Yes? Finish V. Yes, very good. And next sheet will be D64MT, number 41 and 42. That also will be your homework, children. Note it down. D64MT, you will have number 41 and 42. That will be your homework. So 2